Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a really cool lettering effect using the blend tool. Let's get started. I have here first a document which is approximately 18 by 8.5 inches. It's a little bit long because I'm going to write all across the artboard. Then I'm going to use my pencil tool to create this hand written style typography. I'm going to double click to open the pencil tool options, and I'm going to make sure that this fidelity setting is set to smooth, and then I'll click OK. I'm going to start first by creating the first letter of my name. If you want to make the curves even smoother, remember you can use a direct selection tool and delete some anchor points and just make sure your tracing is perfect. Now that you have that, let me move my character over there. I am going to create a circle. So I'm going to press Shift and Alt to create a perfect circle. Something like that. And then I am going to fill it with a gradient. So I'm going to fill it first with any color, and then I'm going to click in my gradient tool, click on the circle, and I'm going to double click and pick colors. I think I'll go for pink and maybe, yeah, I think yellow is okay. And I'm going to remove the stroke. Now that I have that, I am going to duplicate this, and I'm going just to drag it across the original one. Then I am going to go to my blend tool. I'm going to double click, and I'm going to set the spacing to specified steps. For this one, I think I'm going to put around 500 steps, and then I'll click OK. With the blending tool selected, I'll click in the first circle and then in the second one. What I've done here is just created like the brush which I'm going to use to fill my letter. I am going to select them both, go to Object, Blend, and replace Spine. Now take a look. That's what's going to happen. Yes, my letter is filled with the brush I created. Now, if I want to do another word, I mean a complete word, then what would you have to do with the pencil is continue like creating or writing your name around your artboard, and you have to do the same process again, which is to create a circle, fill it with a gradient, duplicate it, and use the blend tool to combine them. Once you have your brush, you will select the path that you are going to fill along with like the brush you created. Go to Object, Blend, and replace Spine. And you have a really cool 3D effect of like a lettering style. Of course, I didn't take a lot of time here with the direct selection tool to make the curves better, but you can take the time. What I want you to do is to, I mean, this was really fast, right? But what I want you to do is to experiment with this. What other shapes can you use to create 3D lettering? What's going to happen, for example, if instead of if I have one type of gradient and I have a different one in the second circle, and so on. Okay, experiment with this, and I'm really looking forward to see what you did with your creativity and with this technique.